What is up, guys? It's Tom from Tech Time, and today I have a glass screen protector for the OnePlus 7 Pro. I have tried two different glass screen protectors, and both of them have been trash so far. Because of the curved glass on the OnePlus 7 Pro, you normally only get adhesive around the outer edges of these tempered glass, especially the cheaper ones like the $10, $12 ones that you're going to get, 2-3 packs that come with them. They're just not good protectors. They don't last long. You get a small amount of dust that come off. Some of them have rainbowing. Some of them have touch sensitivity issues. So this right here is here to save us from all of that. This is the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector. I've been using these for a ton of my phones, and they are the best for phones that have edge screens, like curved edge, the infinity edge, things like that. Anything with curved glass, these are the best. Now, for flat screens, you can find screen protectors out there that will do a good job at a cheaper price, but even on those phones, these still are the best. You're getting the full adhesion, you're getting, curing process using the UV light, patented design. They really are, killing it in the game. But there's a price to pay when it comes to this. It is $50 normally for most phones. For this phone right here, it's $49.99 on Amazon. If you are interested in the product, the link will be down in the description. Disclaimer, they are affiliate links, so I do make a small percentage on qualified purchases. Just want to throw that out there. But these are my favorite. Like I said, the Whitestone Dome, they really were a game changer when they first came out for the Galaxy line phones, because there was nothing out there that could work and work well. I was using at the time like military, 3M, like clear bra that you see on like a car, and it was okay, but you didn't have the same feeling as glass. So we're gonna get into the install process. It's gonna take a little bit. I'll try to, edit through and be as on point as I can. There's a million videos out there on doing these. It is a little hard from behind the camera, but trust me, once you do it a couple times, or even the first time, if you really pay attention to the directions, you're not filming it, it's not as hard of a process as it looks. So let's open it up, see what we got inside the box. We have another box. This is gonna be the main setup. This is your directions. Then you're going to have a package similar to what you have with all other screen protectors. You're going to get a dust removal sticker, some microfiber towels. You're going to get these adhesion absorbers that go on the sides of the tray over here, and a couple other things. You're going to get your pull tab. So we'll empty this whole thing out. Alcohol wipes that you're going to need for wiping off excess glue. Another one, some dust removal stickers, your little pull tab that you're going to need, and some microfiber towels. Not the best quality, but they do the trick. You're also going to get these right here that are going to be for blocking off your speakers so you don't get any glue in them and cause any damage whatsoever. We'll put those off to the side for now. You are going to get the top of your tray right here. Pull the glass out. You get your glass curved, nice, full coverage right here. Put this off to the side. You are going to get 2 tubes of glue. In case you mess it up, you can wipe it off. It is a pain if you do mess it up, but it can be done. Put those off to the side. You get your little bridge that goes over the top. I'll show you how that's used in a little bit. And that's pretty much it for the stuff that comes in the box, besides this other box, which is going to be your adhesion UV light. These can also be used for nail lights. If you have a female or you do your nails yourself, gel, they can be used for that also. So that's good. Comes with a micro USB cord that you can plug in. I have a cord that I'll be plugging it into, so we'll have that all set up nice. I'll actually get that stuff set up and I'll come right back. I'm back. I just wanted to clean some things up and make it a little bit more organized. But you're going to have your tray. You're going to want to have your tray down on this like so, and then you're going to want to put your phone in there. But first, before that, I just wanted to show you there is a cutout right here that actually connects the bump out on the camera, so it makes it really easy for this to stay in place. But you're going to want to put a sticker over your top speaker. Take it like so. It's a little tab that they give you, and you're going to want to put it over the speaker. It's very crucial, and then you can wrap it all the way around the edge. You do not want to get anything in that speaker. Then you put it in place like so. From there, you're going to want to take your wet wipe and go over the screen. Also, I turned my phone off. I already did that while I was away cleaning everything up. That, for me, makes it easier. You can leave it on, but you know, when you're touching your screen, you're going to have some issues. So I advise that you just shut it off. Take your microfiber towel, wipe everything down. If you have your own personal one, it makes it a little bit easier. If you have a nice one, these aren't the best, but they do the trick. Then you're going to want to go over it with a dust removal sticker quick, just to get, you know, as much as you can see. And then you're going to have to probably do it, you know, once or twice more if you have dust. Then you take your outer tray, put it over it. Speaker goes where speaker is on the bottom tray. Move it around until you get everything to go in place, like so. At this point, I like to take my tab, put it in the tab spot at the top, slides in like so. And then from there, I'm going to clean it one more time with the dust sticker. You know, really try to look and get any dust that you can off, because that is crucial to installation. You do not want to get bubbles, especially on an expensive screen protector like this. Right here is your bridge. Here is the glue. You would like to remove the red cap first and put it in like so. And this stuff can get messy, so make sure, you know, you do what you need to do to keep it nice and clean. This does have to be a level surface. I know mine isn't, so I might have to, you know, play around with it and stick something in underneath it right when I let the glue out. So right here is the top cap. You're going to do that, and that's going to release all of the glue. So mine is not even, like I said. So luckily this glue adhesion is pretty easy to move around. I'm just going to level it off with this right here. It's easier to do it beforehand, but you know, I'm just kind of doing it on the fly. You're going to want to tap, make sure all the glue came out. Looks like it has. I like to take the cap, put it back on. One more bubble came out. Then I take the red cap that I have, and as I take this out, I will put the red cap back on also, so I don't have a mess all over my area. I am starting to lose my glue a little bit, so I'm going to get it back centered where it belongs. Looks like we're good there. I do see a little bit of dust in one spot. Going to have to get that again because I don't want that to cause an issue. Got it, no problem. Take off the bridge like so. Put that over, out of the way. From here, you're going to want to remove your glass from the packaging and peel off the back spot. Pull that down. Double check one more time for dust. Again, I see some more dust. Get it off. Right now, you take the glass, you put it all the way up against the edge, and then it is going to sit down on that tab like so. Adjust it accordingly if you need to, like I just did. And then from here, you're going to screw up like I did because I forgot to add the adhesion pads. Those go in when you first put in the top thing. I'm going to add them in now because I never did, and those are crucial for the edge of everything. So you're going to want to make sure you get those in nice. Should have been done when you first put on the top tray. But like I said, when you're doing this behind the camera, things get a little bit more, you know, real life. So there we go. We got them in place. I'm going to take out my little leveler that I have right here. I'm going to let the glue get to about the middle and pull out the tab, and everything will start to adjust accordingly. You'll see it hit the middle, boom, pull it out. Now you just want to hold or let it sit, and the glue will start to come up and down. If you need to, you know, move it a tiny little bit, you can, but most of the time it does exactly what it needs to do. Once you see it reach the top and the bottom, that is when you're going to break out your handy dandy UV light. It does take, you know, about 60 seconds to do that, so I'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. Everything has spread from top to bottom. I double checked it a couple times. Plug in your light. You probably want to have this plugged in beforehand, and then you're going to want to do, you know, top and bottom. They say I do top, middle, and bottom, and you can do about 15 seconds for, all three sections. Let it cure like that. Then you move it to the middle and then the bottom so you get a nice cure. Then you're going to take it out and we're going to cure it again. So I'll catch you guys when this is done curing. This is about to finish up and then we're going to show you what's going on. And take a look at it, do the cleaning process, and then hit it with the UV light one more time. So now you're going to want to take all of this stuff off. You can actually just pull this top cover off. Make sure you do it nice and easy though, because if any of the glue has, adhered to the adhesion pads, you don't want to have, any type of damage where you pull it off. So take that off. I'm going to take the phone like so. And then you're going to want to take your wet wipe and really go to town getting all the excess glue off. The stuff does smell, so you might want to do it in a well-ventilated area. And you're going to smell it on your phone. You're going to go, oh my God, that's awful. But it does come off. The smell goes away in a day or so. So now you're going to take your wet wipe, just really clean off the edges and anywhere else that the glue might have gotten. Do that for a couple minutes, whatever it takes to get completely clean. You can even pull this off at this point. Clean that edge because you don't want to have anything that had gotten maybe into your speaker at all. Really clean everything up. Make sure there's nothing around your camera housing, because if any of this glue were to get into your front-facing camera, it could be lights out. So do this for a little bit. And then we're going to hit it with the UV light one more time, and I'll be back for that. Now we're going to hit it with the UV light one more time, top, middle, and bottom, or just top and bottom, whatever you prefer. They say just top and bottom. I like to do the middle for a little bit of extra curing. It's going to take about a minute and change to do the finish process, because you're going to want to let this kind of do its whole process. And then I'll be back, clean it up, show you what it looks like. Okay guys, we're back, all finished up with the curing process. We're going to hit this with one more wipe down and this baby will be good to go. So I'm going to actually power this on as we're cleaning it off. Let it get going, and you'll see it kind of like balls up the glue a little bit where it's not supposed to be on the outer edges when you hit it with the alcohol wipe. I did notice on my alcohol wipe that it seemed like it got a little blue paint on it. I don't know where that's from. Hopefully not from my phone. It didn't seem like it was. I make sure I get the back and stuff just in case there was any glue anywhere. I'm not trying to have my super expensive phone have glue on it. So wipe it all down, nice. Then hit it with one more boom towel like so. As I'm trying to be putting in my pin, I will put this in real quick and we're good to go. Look at that screen protector. That thing is beautiful. On there, 100% perfect. Getting some text messages. It's beautiful. It really is. It's a beautiful thing. $50. Link down below if you're interested. So make sure if you like this video, you hit the thumbs up. Hope you guys did enjoy it. And until the next time, I'll catch you later.